There are many ways to create sketch planes in Fusion. As shown in previous videos, the Origin tab of the browser gives 3 automatic planes. To the right, the construction sketch planes can be found. These construction sketch planes can be generated by selecting pre-existing features in the model interface. First, the offset plane. Select an existing plane. Once selected, define the distance from the original plane to the new plane. Next, the plane at angle. Select an axis and a plane. Define the angle between the original plane and the new plane. Next, the tangent plane. Select a curve on a cylinder and define an angle. Next, the midplane. Select 2 parallel planes. The midplane will appear in the center of the 2 parallel planes. Plane through 2 edges, select 2 edges that are parallel with one another. Next, plane through 3 points. Select 3 points. A plane will form that touches all 3 points. Next, plane tangent to facet point. Select a cylindrical or conical shape and a point on the curve. The plane along path. Select a sketch path. The plane can be moved along a path as shown. The plane will be formed adjacent to the path and can be pulled along the path. This can be helpful when performing a loft extrude or sweep extrude.